Why use Code Framework only for testing when we can use it for so much more? Hey guys, welcome to Codemas days 16 and 17. Today I'll be using Robot Framework to tweet something well on Twitter. Let's open today's advents and get started. Well, in order to use Robot Framework, we have to install it first. So go to robotframework.org, documentation, and then in the Getting Started section, there is this command pip install robot framework. Copy it and go to the terminal and, well, install robot framework. Pip install robot framework. Now we also need to install Selenium. The command is pip install robot framework selenium 2 library, and finally we need Chrome driver in order to open Chrome. So to install it, just Google Chrome driver, hit the downloads link. Now the version of Chrome driver we need to install has to match our Chrome version. So find out what version of Chrome you have and then download the corresponding Chrome driver. I have Chrome 87, so I'll download this one. Select your operating system, wait for it to download, and then unzip it. Now in order to use Chrome driver, we have to put this executable inside the path of our system. Now I will not be going into the details of how to do this because it's different on every operating system. It's pretty easy to do on a Mac, but on Windows I have no idea. Now let's go to our test file. I have already created the 4 sections that we will need and also imported the Selenium library. So let's create some variables here. I will need the URL. That will be https twitter.com and then also browser. That will be Chrome. Now I will only create a single test case that I will name tweet automatically. That will call some keywords. The first keyword, of course, is to open Chrome on Twitter. So open Twitter. Now open browser, URL, and then browser. Nice, let's put it inside our test case. So open Twitter and run the test. It's alive. Now I want to click this button, the login button. So let's inspect it and copy the XPath. Back to our test. Login, new keyboard, and then click. Actually, wait until element is visible. The element will be the one we copied, and then when it is visible, we want to click element. Now let's put login inside our test case. So login, save, run the test again, and let's see. It took me to the login page where I need to, of course, log in. So let's find the XPath of the email. And again, wait until element is visible. XPath will be the input, and when the input is visible, input text on the input, and the text will be my email, which will be a new variable inside the resource file. So local resource. We can treat resource files like robot files. So this means we can create a new section named variables. I will create two variables, one for the email and one for my password. Now let's also import the resource file, local resource, and then let's go back to the browser and copy the XPath for the password input. Let's duplicate this line and paste the XPath for the password, change the variable, save and rerun the test. Nice. Now let's also click the login button. So let's copy the XPath, copy XPath, click element, XPath will be this, rerun the test, and this time we should be in. Nice. Now let's tweet. Inspect, copy XPath, let's go back to the code and create a new keyword, write tweet. Click element. Actually, first we have to wait until the element is visible, so wait until element is visible. And then click element, which should give the focus to this div here. Now when it is focused, we can write inside it. So let's go back to the code, copy this line, press keys, and then we will create a new variable, tweet. Let's go back here, tweet. This tweet was done by using robot framework. Wanna know how? Watch the upcoming video on my YouTube channel. Hashtag automation testing. Hashtag robot framework. Hashtag Codemas 2020. Now let's also add the write tweet keyword inside our test case. Now let's rerun the test and see what we got. Awesome. We are there. Now we have to click the tweet button. So inspect, copy XPath, and then click element, XPath, paste it. And actually let me also give a link to my YouTube channel. So let's paste it here before the hashtags, save. Let's run the test one last time. Yes, our automated tweet is there. Now there are two questions. Can we? Yes, of course, we already showed that. But should we? I don't think so. Even though we can, we should use every tool for what it is designed to do. So thanks for watching, hope you liked this unconventional video. Please hit the like button if you like this video and also subscribe. I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.